Jenny, and I'm in my 4th year of biomedical sciences, and I'm here to take you on the tour of study spots for successful scientists. Just follow me. Here at Waterloo, a lot of students tend to study only in libraries, but there are many options for you to study on campus that don't include libraries, such as lecture halls that don't have lectures in them. To check if they're open or available, you can go on the portal website or the app and check for available classrooms. Now we've entered the first floor of the Quantum Nano Center. So the desks here on your right are equipped with outlets, and they have a great view of the Peter Russell Rock Garden. Natural light is really great for your mental health and to keep your energy up. There's also whiteboards on the walls, so you can study, you can do your problems, or you can just doodle for fun. So downstairs in the basement of the Quantum Nano Center is a piano and a lot of other desks as well. So you can study, or you can take a study break by playing the piano. So now we're on the second floor of the Quantum Nano Center. On your right are a bunch of standing desks. So these desks are great if you don't want to sit anymore or you just want to get moving. This floor is also really similar to the first floor in that there is a great view of the Peter Russell Rock Garden and a lot of desks with outlets on them. So now we've just entered into the second floor of the Earth Sciences and Chemistry building, also known as ESC. Some other great spots to study on campus are in the Student Life Center, where they set up desks in the Great Hall during exams, as well as there is a third floor silent study room. Also in the Davis Center, there is a library, so you can book a study room online and study with a group of friends, or you can study individually in the library as well. And also in the Math and Computer building, they have a comfy lounge on the 3rd floor, right beside the Math Coffee and Donut shop, so you can grab study snacks and relax and study with friends as well. So now we've entered on the 2nd floor of the Center for Environmental and Information Technology, also known as EIT. So right behind me is the Eit Cafe, where you can grab study snacks, or you can grab a meal or microwave your own food while studying. There's also lots of seating around here. So we're now on the 1st floor of the Physics building. On my right is the undergraduate study room, where there's lots of natural light and desks for group study. And on my left is another study space, which was just recently renovated, and it includes a lot of desks with outlets at each desk, as well as a water bottle refill station where you can stay hydrated while studying. All right, so to my right is South Campus Hall. So in South Campus Hall, on the 2nd floor, is Velocity Start. This is a place where you can study. There are whiteboards, natural light, as well as it is beside the South Side Marketplace, so you can get food. And right behind me is the Dana Porter Library. This library has 10 floors of varying study environments, such as group study floors, there are silent study floors, and quiet study floors. So you can pick and choose what the best environment for you is. So right behind me is Haggy Hall. Haggy Hall was just renovated, and this renovated section is called Haggy Hub. So in this section there's a cafe, there's quiet study lounges, and couches, desks, things like that. So we've just entered the first floor of the Environment 1 building, also known as EV1. So on your right is the Faculty and Environment Courtyard. So this is kind of like studying outside without actually being outside. The nice glass roof allows for a lot of natural sunlight, and there's plants around to add some greenery. So since we're talking about study spots, another important thing to mention is the importance of staying physically and mentally healthy in order to be able to study effectively. And on my right is Needles Hall. This is where counseling services is. So counseling services offers group therapy, individual appointments with therapists, as well as workshops for you to be able to stay mentally healthy and effectively study. Also, we have the Student Success Office, which is located in South Campus Hall. They have office hours in the Science Undergraduate Office in the Science Teaching Complex, as well as drop-in times in the library. If you need any help with any academic strategies, such as time management skills, test prep, study strategies, definitely give them a visit.
In the Science Teaching Complex, there are plenty of places to study. On the first floor, there are a variety of seating areas near STC 1012. There is also a Starbucks where you can get a coffee or snack to keep you energized while you are studying. Taking the stairs to the second floor of STC, there are some tables with seats that are great when studying in a group.
Thank you for joining us for this tour.